We'll guide you through how to make Telegram menu bot. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to customize their Telegram bots and make them more interactive. Creating a menu button allows users to add quick links, websites, or features directly inside the bot interface. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window. Next, type web.telegram.org into the address bar exactly as written. Then press Enter on your keyboard to open the Telegram webpage. When the website loads, click Login by phone number to access your account. Enter your phone number in the field provided, making sure you choose the correct country code before typing the number. After entering your phone number, click Next to send a code to your phone number for verification. Wait until you receive the verification code on your phone, then enter your code in the field provided, and you will be automatically logged into your Telegram account. Once you are logged in, click Search at the top of the Telegram web interface. Then type 𝗵𝗲 in the search field and wait for the result to appear. Once it appears, click the contact to open the chat. Click Start at the bottom to activate the bot. Next, click /mybots, then click your bot that appears in the list. After opening your selected bot, click Bot Settings, then click Menu button to manage its menu options. Click Configure Menu button to begin setting up a new menu button. After that, enter the link you want to create a menu button for in the message field carefully and correctly. Next, click the sideways arrow icon to send a link to 𝗵𝗲. Then, enter the name of your menu button as you wish, which will be displayed to users. Click the sideways arrow icon again to send the button name. After that, click back to bot, then click your bot name to open your bot chat page. Click Start at the bottom to activate it. Then click the menu button that you created in the bottom left corner to test and use the new menu button.